I'm Victoria Foster Harrison of Curly Girl Art Studio in Port Townsend, Washington. I am an encaustic printmaker and encaustic collage artist, and I'd like to share with you this quick little video today to show you how I make an encaustic print. Unlike the contemporary version of encaustic or burning with wax version, we are not going to be painting with melted wax, but instead I'm going to be using chunks of pigmented wax. And these two are from Comma Pigments in Canada. This is from Evans Encaustic in Atlanta. And these are from R&F Pigments in New York. And we'll be using an R&F heated palette. This is anodized aluminum and it's heated by a hot plate. It's about 170 degrees. I can touch it, but I don't want to leave my fingers on there. And then we're going to be using Sumier paper. It's just an economical paper that I love using for printmaking, and a few tools. So right now I'm just going to make a very simple composition by touching the waxes to the plate, and it's just so creamy and yummy. I just love this whole process, but it is an exercise in letting go and letting the medium do its own thing. I love how the colors will blend, and I like to use all sides of the wax. The skinny side, the wide side. I can make lines, straight lines, organic lines. I can draw in it. I can go slow and the wax will puddle up more. I can go fast. And I can do tapping, twirling, making kind of ribbons, and there's endless tools to use. I do love using this rubber pastry brush. Just gives a real nice gentle texture. And here I will use some bubble wrap. It already has some color on it, and that's just fine with me. I'm going to lay this down and press on it, and it will leave wax that was already on the bubble wrap. It will leave it on the plate, as you can see the different texture in here. Then I take my paper, lay it on top. This is my favorite moment. This is just the aha moment of seeing how the paper will absorb the wax. And I'm going to take a paper towel and just gently rub it to help the paper make contact with the wax. I even like this side of it. I lift it up and I have an original one-of-a-kind print. Thank you.